to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I fake a salon blowout to create this voluminous, bouncy, glamorous look. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is spray my hair with the heat protecting spray. Yeah, always have to protect your hair. And then I'm gonna brush my hair out. I'm going to separate my cotton bangs. I'm gonna style them in the end separately. So for right now, I'm just gonna put them in this Velcro roller. Next, I'm gonna divide my hair into two parts. The upper part and lower part, and I'm gonna curve the lower part first. I had to put a cardigan on because it's pretty chilly in my house. So I'm gonna take a small section of hair at a time because my hair is pretty thick. I'm gonna curl my hair like outward, away from my face. So after I wrap my hair around the wand, I'm gonna hold it for 10 seconds. But if you have finer hair, then hold it for shorter amount of time, maybe like 5 seconds, because I don't want you to burn your hair. But my hair pretty coarse and thick, so 10 seconds would be fine. So when I release the curl, I'm gonna hold it until it's cool off. I'm just gonna take a few seconds, just a little bit more. Okay, so here. It's gonna look like this, and I'm just gonna put it in the bag, and I don't run my hair through it or like use a brush yet. I'm gonna wait until I'm done with everything to do it. Okay, so I'm done with this side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing with this side, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm done with both sides and then move on to the next section, okay? Hi! So, okay, I'm done with both sides, and then I'm gonna do my upper section, pointing this downward like earlier. And I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but I try to go as close to my root as possible to lift up the root of my hair to create very nice volume. But be careful, don't burn yourself. For the section that closest to my face, I don't leave it on the wand for as long, for like 10 seconds. I only leave it for 5 seconds, and then I don't hold it because I don't want it to be too curly. So this is fine. I'm just gonna leave it there and check if I have anything else up. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this side and finishing up the whole thing. Now when I'm done with the bigger section, now I'm gonna move on to styling my curtain bangs, and I'm gonna do the opposite thing. So for the rest of my hair, I'm curling it outward, and for the curtain bangs, I'm gonna curl it inward. And now I'm gonna put it in my Velcro again, but this time I'm gonna curl it like this, like inward. And I have to do it again because it takes a few time to master it. So bear with me. Okay. I'm gonna take my pin again and pin it right here. And this is my final look. So after I curl my hair, like I show you, I flip my hair like this and then take a brush and brush it out. This gonna loosen up the curl a lot and also give you the volume. Okay, brush it throughout, and then I'm just gonna flip my hair, let my curtain bang fall out naturally, and here you have it. There are some tips that I want to share with you to make it easier to achieve this look. So the first one is having curtain bangs and a little bit of layers in the front near your face. Those would give you a lot of volume when you curl it or style it. The second one is that after I wash my hair, I let my hair air dry, not blow dry. Leaving your hair air dry would give you the natural volume and is less damage to your hair because you don't apply heat, because it's bad enough that we apply heat to curl our hair. The more we can avoid it, the better it's gonna be in the long run. And also air dry, like I said, gonna give you the natural volume that is gonna last. The third tip is that when I curl my hair, I wrap my hair around the wand and I try to go as close to the root as possible. That way I give my hair a little bit more volume by lifting the hair near the root. And I think that's it. That's all the tips that I want to share with you, and that is how I achieved this look. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.